Dimensional analysis. There are 7 fundamental or base quantities that are present in our SI system, and these are called as 7 dimension of physical world. Means 7 fundamental base or base quantity are called as 7 dimension of the physical world. They are denoted by square bracket. Dimension is represented by square bracket. That is, length is represented by L, mass by M, bracket M, time by T, electric current by A, thermodynamic temperature by K, luminous intensity by CD, and amount of substance by mole. Right? Remember one thing, that in dimensional analysis we are going to write the derived physical quantities in the terms of the dimension of physical quantity are the powers to which the unit of base quantities are raised to represent a derived unit of that quantity. Right? For example, we are going to discuss the dimension. कि dimension क्या है? Now we know that volume equal to length into breadth into height. Now length is represented by bracket L. This breadth is also length. This is L. Height is also length. Therefore, volume equal to L, L and L, and this is L cube. ठीक है. Now, volume does not depend on the mass, does not depend upon the time. So we can write that volume, dimension formula of volume equal to the m0 L cube T0. V equal to m0 L cube T0. It means that the dimension of volume has volume has 0 dimension of mass in mass, 3 dimension in length, and 0 dimension in time. Similarly, velocity equal to displacement upon time. Displacement is what? Length. Time is will represented by this. This means velocity equal to L to the power 1, T to the power minus 1, M to the power 0. That is, the dimension of velocity are 0 in mass, 1 in length and minus 1 in time. ठीक.